Figure 3541 Dulles Tower, turn left heading 340, runway 1 right, sir, figure.
Left heading 340, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff, picture 3541.
Tower, Air Care 1 helicopters with you. Level 700, going over across public field.
Air Care 1, Dulles Tower, roger. So we'll climb up to 2,000 feet for traffic departing 1 right.
I don't know if I can make 2,000 or not, I'll try.
Okay, then remain west of runway 1 right.
West of 1 right, correct. I am medevac status, so whenever you get me across, appreciate it.
I understand that, but if you can climb, that would help.
I just can't. I'll do west, just advise you.
Figure 3490, contact Potomac departure. Good day.
Over departure, figure 3490, good day.
Figure 4335, runway 1 right, line up wait.
Right, line up wait.
Okay, Air Care 1, what are you doing?
Sir, I'm staying west of the field until you clear me to go across. I cannot climb to 2,000 feet.
Sir, I said west of 1 right. I did not give you a turn back towards the departing traffic off 30.
Sir, I'm just doing circles out here. And I'm north of 30.
Hold for now between 1 right and 1 center.
Dowler, can you clarify? We've getting a lot of mixed up instructions here. First, you were telling me to hold to the west, to the east. I'm not sure what you want me to do.
Air Care 1, I was very clear. I said remain west of 1 right, and then I said hold between 1 center and 1 right. Very clear instructions. I never gave you a turn to go back westbound, and I never said west of the field. Proceed eastbound now on course. Traffic departure and airborne is E190.
Eastbound on course.
I'm not trying to have a DCA incident here, sir. That's why I got to keep you separated from aircraft, since you can't climb.
Sir, I'm very aware of that. Thank you for doing that.
We got 3541, contact Potomac departure. Good day.
Good day, 3541.
And Air Care 1, why is it that you can't climb? And I've worked life-flight helicopters my entire career, and I've never had an issue with a helicopter climbing.
Roger, will you bring this over the phone when I get down? I'd appreciate it.
Roger. We're 4335, turn left heading 360, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
360, left turn, 1 right, clear for takeoff, 040.
We're 4843 tower, runway 1 right, line up for wait.